YouTube. So doon na kita nagkalain-laing different set of clutch kit. This is the clutch disc. Tawag na clutch disc will be clutch lining. Kung sa Pilipinas, tinatawag ito ng clutch lining. Pero dito, tinatawag ito ng clutch disc. Pero pareha lang sila ng item, different European item, European terms, and then American terms. Magkaiba talaga yan sila ng tawag nito, pangalan, but isa lang yung object na o unit na tinutumbok nila, which is the clutch lining, no? So magkaiba po ito, although may similarity yung kanyang clutch pressure plate, but the one thing that we need to know here is this one here. I set up this one. This is a label. As you can see, it's really flat, but when I put this one here, yeah, as like the labeler, you can observe there that there is 1 mil difference from the height itself. See that? So meron talagang magkaiba talaga. So kung bibili talaga kayo ng guys, kung bibili kayo ng clutch kit or clutch lining, whatever, you should buy a kit itself, because as you can see, may gap siya. Yung pantay niya dito hindi pantay, meron siyang like a millimeter gap from here. Nalagyan natin ang see that? So that's the gap from there. So kung hindi sila magkapantay or yung not match, the parts that you should put is not like compatible, then there will be problem during clutch engagement. Like ayaw mag-engage, sometimes don't engage, very hard to engage or disengage, whatever, because they are different. As you can see here, the height is different, although it is flat surface here. So the pressure plate here, or the finger plate, they have different kind of like expansion, like I don't know, the pressure plate here is very like wear and tear, or is already like pushed in or bent or whatever, or it may be the design, but shouldn't be swapping parts or whatever, or if you do swap parts, you should be like investigate, no? Or see the difference. So it can only, because installing clutch is a major job, like 4 hours 5 hours. So if you get wrong installing the clutch, then that will be back job, and then it's the delay time or whatever. So you should be like investigating on the difference of this between the old one and the new one. As you can see, there is a gap. So you have to have like compare parts when you put it in one or before putting it in. Kung ikakabit nyo yan, if you try to put it on, then there will be a problem during engagement. because it's not really like the good thing to have because of that gap there. Okay, so you don't have to swap like swapping parts. It's not really good. If you do, then that is a damper. So you have to like making sure like awareness also to the other guys that they have to like collectively inspect the parts before putting in. You have to compare the old one and the new one, like it is now. So here it is flat, also flat, and that's the flap in there. That's the difference. See that? See? So that's the like 1 millimeter distance, the gap. So that's not compatible if you're like swapping parts or whatever. So you have to compare really the old one and the new one. So we're gonna be using this one here because the clutch finger, the clutch pressure plate on this one is good. It's still like very strong, and this one is already like being compressed, no? Compressed na siya, so it's not really like expanding during the engagement, so there might be problem on that one. So I'm gonna be using this one here as this is the original, as you can see. Or even if you compare side here, yeah. So on the bolt holes and the dowel holes, they are completely correct, but the pressure plate, they are really different. As you can see, this one here is like being already compressed too much, so this is like wear and tear already, and this one here is a little bit up, as you can see. So that's not balanced. So this one here is like already worn, and this one here is up. So you can see that. So kinabit ko na ito, tinanggal ko lang para ma-double check yung yung pag-inspection natin. So kung mahirapan kayo mag-determine whether this pressure plate is being compressed and this one is like full out, this is the good thing here. This is like strong one, and this one is like kind of weak because it's being compressed already, like worn. Ganun nyo lang, flat surface, and then you will know the gap. See that? So this pressure plate here is being compressed already or worn out, and this one is still good. So yeah, that's how to determine whether or not you have a worn out clutch pressure plate. Okay, so it may look perfect condition here, there's no damage, but the thing is, the pressure plate is like a flexible here, and this one is already like pushed back in. That's how you determine, guys, worn out clutch pressure plate. biktima nito pagka nag-apa kayo ng ano, when you press the clutch pedal, there's some kind of delay or hindi siya masyadong mag-response, no? Like delay, like very weak to return. So that's how you determine the weakness of the clutch pressure plate, as you can see in the camera. Okay, thank you.